Ayan.
Ay, ito ang bago.
Yan ang bago.
Single.
Siyap.
Si Mike. Ay.
Siyap.
Single Instance Audit Framework.
Yeah.
Okay. Pag sinabi mong single instance, isang
Beses.
LOA
Beses lang.
rule them all. Ha? For a
Yes.
given taxable year. Walang S ang year.
Wala.
Yes.
Ha? Hindi pwedeng taxable years. Covering all internal taxes, including
Including VAT.
BDT.
Including ban.
Para daw
The
wala
issue
nang
was-
overlap.
Of multiple is prohibited. Dati pa yan. Kaya nga natin-technical.
Pero meron silang nilagay na exception ngayon, sir. Para
As an
hindi
exception, in fraud cases. Ay, ito ang dinagdag nila.
May cover several
1L lang may cover several years. Kasi ginagamit na technicality natin to di ba?
Pero, di ba nabanggit dyan yung 27-2010? Nung nakita ko kasi yung tinignan ko. Ito kasi yung nakalagay.
Ano nakalagay?
Teka, ina-upload ko. Yan.
Okay.
Sinabi, shall cover only the taxable year. Sa una.
May S
May S.
for which prima facie evidence of tax